Hi guys, good morning. Today we would discuss the chapter of subject verb agreement in English grammar. Subject verb agreement. Now, where we can take a singular subject or a singular verb or a plural verb in the sentence. It is only the subject which is supposed to decide which type of verb is required here. Either it is singular verb or it is plural verb. So it is only subject. It is only subject which can take a verb either singular or plural. If subject is singular, then he would accept a singular verb. If subject is in plural form, then it would take a plural verb. So whenever two subjects, in case of one subject we know the subject is singular or plural, but in case of two subjects, when two subjects are supposed to fall in a single sentence, which type of verb we can take, either singular or plural, then it depends upon the conjunction which we are using in the sentence. If we have used the conjunction and, then we can take a plural verb in the sentence according to noun. Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam go to school. Here Ram and Shyam. Ram and Shyam. And is working as a conjunction in the sentence, and we are taking a plural verb here, not singular verb. If I say Ram goes to school, here the verb used for the subject Ram is singular verb. So in case of and, we can take a plural verb. If and is working as a conjunction in the sentence and two or more than two nouns are connected by the use of and, then we can take a plural verb in the sentence. But in some cases it has been seen that and is not working there. Then what can we do there? Such types of words, as I want to mention one by one here. First of all, as well as. As well as is the first word. If I say Ram as well as Shyam goes to school, here we cannot say that Ram as well as Shyam go to school, because with as well as, when in a sentence as well as is supposed to work, we can take a verb not according to the noun which may fall in the next after as well as, but according to the noun which is supposed to fall before as well as. So we can take a noun, we can take a verb according to the noun which is supposed to be used just before as well as. So here we can take the verb according to that noun. If that noun is in plural form, then we can take plural verb. If that noun is in singular form, then we can take a singular verb. So it depends the noun, which type of noun is being used before as well as. No matter which type of noun, either singular or plural, is supposed to be used just after as well as, no matter. We can take verb according to the noun which is supposed to fall before as well as. Together with. The same condition is with together with. If together with is working in the sentence, we would need a verb according to the noun used before together with. Along with. In case of along with too, we can use verb according to the noun which is supposed to fall just before along with. There are some words I want to mention one by one. First, as well as. Second, together with. Third one, along with. Fourth one, not and not. Fourth one is and not. Fifth one, addition to. Sixth one, like, unlike. Seventh one, with. And last one, rather than, except, no less than, nothing but, more than one. These are some verbs, although working as a conjunction in the sentence, but we cannot use a verb according to the noun used just after them. We can use a verb according to the noun used just before all of them. I repeat, we cannot use a verb according to the noun which may come just after these words. We can use the verb according to the noun which may fall just before these words in the sentence. If I say Ram together with his girlfriend is going to Goa. Now Ram and his girlfriend both are supposed to go to Goa, but we are using the verb according to Ram, not according to both Ram and his girlfriend. We are using the verb only according to Ram. In the second example, Ram as well as his parents is going to Prayagraj. Ram as well as his parents is going to Allahabad. Here we are using the noun. Here we are using the verb not according to his parents and Ram, but according to only Ram. So we can say that in case of these words, when these words are supposed to come in a sentence, we would require a verb not according to the nouns which are supposed to fall just after these words, but we can use a verb according to the nouns which are supposed to fall just before these words. Such is there is such condition. We are taking a verb go. We are taking a helping verb is not according to Ram's parents, but according to Ram, because Ram and his parents both are connected with as well as, and as well as is working as a conjunction here. But in case of and, we cannot use a verb according to the first noun, but we can include both of the noun. If both of the noun is working as in singular subject, then we can use a singular verb. If both are working in the form of plural noun, then we can take a plural verb in the sentence. If I say his parents, not the child, are guilty. His parents, not the child, are guilty. Here we are using the verb not according to child, but according to parents, because parents are supposed to come just before not. If I say the club members along with their owner were arrested. The club members along with their owner were arrested. Here we are using the helping verb not according to owner, but according to the club members. So finally I would like to conclude the whole. If these words, I would like to mention once again one by one. First of all, as well as, along with, along, as well as, together with, and along with, and not, comma, in addition to, comma, like, comma, unlike, comma, with, rather than, except, no less than, nothing but, more than one. These are some words working as a conjunction in the sentence, and here we cannot take a verb. We cannot take a verb according to the noun which may fall next after these words. We can take a noun which are supposed to fall just before these words in the sentence. If I say he and not his friends is guilty, the use of and not, although it is working as a conjunction in the sentence, yet we can use a verb according to the noun which is supposed to be used just before these words in the sentence. We cannot use a verb according to the nouns which are supposed to come just after these words. So here nothing is escaping to be mentioned here. So we want to conclude the whole. Although these words are supposed to work in the sentence as a conjunction, but we cannot use verbs according to the noun which are used just after them, but we can use the verbs which may fall just before these words in the sentence. So guys, here I would like to close the class now. We would meet in our next class. Thank you.